It's day one on the Big Brother board, and only Ellen Macarthur has turned up. Bill Oddie, Keith Chegwin, Alan Shearer, Sean Connery, Keira Knightley, and Anne Widdicombe failed to arrive. Why, I'm on. All housemates are in the kitchen.
Well, I thought Anne Widdicombe would have turned up, but, I'm sure I'll have fun anyway, as usual, on my own.
It's 6:41 p.m. and Ellen is tucking into the fish she caught earlier.
It's going great. Caught fish today, biggest one I've ever caught. We need to be allowed to catch water. It's going to be a wonderful week.
It's day 2, 11:24 a.m. Ellen's in the diary room, making a collage for the task.
My nightmares will come back, the ones about turtles. It's all too much, I can't go on. We're running out of glue already.
It's 6:11 p.m. and our secret camera, we can see Ellen taking a bath. It's day 48, 3:33 a.m. and Ellen is struggling in the storm.
I'm in real trouble. Can't find our position. My windscreen lights has come on. Oh.
It's day 49, 10:41 a.m. Ellen is stranded.
I'm lost. I don't know where I am. It all looks the same. Maybe she can help me.
Welcome, Mr. Officer. There'll be 3 rules you must follow here. No fondling, fornicating, and certainly no A-bailing. 2, there'll be a class system here. Men, horses, other livestock, dogs, and women. And if this is my brother Boo, tell him not to come back. Ever.
It's day 50, on eviction night. Mr. Big Brother, you're live on Yachting TV. This is Twattlebugger. Ellen, you've been evicted. I'm coming for you.
Alright lads, 4 to 20 was Rosie. Now where's me moolah?